Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. In today's video, we're reviewing a product that has been getting attention online, the Beam Smile One Toothbrush. This device is advertised as a modern U-shaped electric toothbrush that claims to clean your entire mouth in around 30 seconds. According to the promotional pages, it offers a full 360-degree brushing experience, helps remove stains, and is gentle on gums. With these bold claims and some big discount offers, many people are wondering if this product is actually worth buying. At first glance, the website promoting Beam Smile One looks polished and professional. The product page features a sleek design, customer ratings, and what appear to be thousands of positive reviews. For many shoppers, this kind of presentation can make the product seem trustworthy. The toothbrush itself has a unique design. Instead of brushing each tooth manually like a regular toothbrush, it uses a U-shaped mouthpiece that fits around your teeth. The idea is that it cleans all sides of your teeth at the same time, which sounds convenient for people who want a faster oral care routine. Recently, this type of toothbrush has been trending online because of its promise of quick and effortless cleaning. But before purchasing products like this from newer online stores, it's always important to do some research first. Check whether the website provides clear business details, contact information, and transparent policies for shipping and returns. Reliable companies usually make these details easy to find. Another useful step is to look for independent reviews outside the seller's website. Customer feedback on forums, review platforms, or social media can give a more realistic idea of how the product actually performs and whether buyers receive what was promised. So, is the Beam Smile One toothbrush legit or a scam? At the moment, there's no clear evidence proving it's a scam. However, shoppers should still be cautious and research carefully before making a purchase. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and stay informed so you can avoid online scams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.